Tesla has once again surprised the world. Elon Musk has officially announced that Tesla's production-ready Optimus humanoid robot is going to launch very soon. Now, Optimus is no longer just a prototype or a stage demo robot. Tesla is preparing it to work in real factory environments, where it will be able to perform practical, repetitive, and physically demanding tasks. According to Tesla, this will be the third-generation Optimus, and it comes with several major upgrades. The biggest improvement is its redesigned hand system, and according to Elon Musk, this was quite a difficult task.
What's harder, the hardware or the software?
Right now, we're struggling with the final design of the hardware. Like I said, it's really primarily the hand. Not to just dismiss the rest of the robot. The rest of it's also important, but the hands inclusive of the forearm are a majority of the engineering difficulty of the entire robot.
The new hands can move with greater freedom and now offer better finger articulation and improved grip precision. This means Optimus will not be limited to just walking or lifting boxes, but will also be able to assemble components, handle delicate objects, and perform complex multi-step tasks that require human-like dexterity. But the story does not end here. When we talk about Optimus's power, it is driven by its advanced AI systems, and it uses the same neural network technology that is used in Tesla's full self-driving software. With the help of real-time vision processing, camera-based perception, and on-device AI computation, the robot can understand its environment, recognize objects, and make autonomous decisions. Tesla has also placed special focus on balance and movement efficiency. The robot is expected to feature smoother walking, better posture control, and improved energy optimization. In the long term, Tesla's goal is to make Optimus so energy efficient that it can work for extended periods without frequent charging interruptions. According to reports, Tesla is planning to start the production line for Optimus by the end of 2026. Elon Musk has also said that his long-term vision is to produce humanoid robots in the millions every year. Imagine a future where factories, warehouses, and logistics centers are supported by fleets of intelligent humanoid machines. And now Optimus will not remain limited to factories. Musk has hinted that in the future, Optimus could also be used for household tasks, such as cleaning, organizing, carrying groceries, or assisting elderly people. If this vision becomes reality, humanoid robots could evolve from industrial tools into everyday companions. But there is also an important reality check here. So far, no fully autonomous Optimus robot has been deployed in large-scale real-world factory production. Tesla itself acknowledges that the robot is still in the development phase. The production-ready version will have to pass rigorous real-world testing, safety validations, and performance benchmarks before large-scale adoption becomes possible. Still, if Tesla delivers on its promise, this could prove to be a turning point in the humanoid robotics industry. Tesla's aim is not just to remain an electric vehicle company, but to become a global AI and robotics powerhouse. So the big question is, will we soon see Tesla robots working alongside humans in factories and homes? Or will this turn out to be another ambitious timeline that takes longer than expected? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Optimus can become the most powerful humanoid robot of the future? And if you want to watch the latest updates related to robotics, AI, breakthroughs, and future technology, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.